If you want to set up an alarm clock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all we need to simply go to the clock app, which you can find for example in the app drawer. Over here make sure that you have alarms selected, and by default there is an example alarm that of course you can use if you want to. You can tap on the switcher to enable or disable the alarm. You can also see when the alarm will go off, or how much hours and minutes are left before the alarm goes off. You can also tap on the alarm in here in order to customize it. You can of course make it repeatable. You can choose specific days of the week in which the alarm will go off. You can set up the name for the alarm. You can change the sound, vibration. You can adjust snooze settings. You can even create groups for alarms if you want to, and you can adjust the background for the alarm. You can also tap on this calendar icon that we have in this place in order to choose a specific day on which the alarm will go off. Of course, here at the top we can swipe to adjust the time. And once you are done, just tap on save at the bottom of the screen. If you want to create a completely new alarm, then of course we can use this plus here, and the rest is pretty much the same. You can also press and hold your finger in order to select an alarm, and the alarm, or alarms in general, can be grouped, deleted, and also just turned off over here. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.